Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Chance. As you can see, I have on a coat, a scarf, and a hat because today we're going to play with something cold. In my buckets down here, I'm going to show you what's in here. And then after we're finished, I'll tell you how I made these, so maybe you and your mom or dad or parents or whomever at home can help you make them. So, you know, this week we're studying about dinosaurs. Do you know dinosaurs lived over 2 billion years ago? That is a long, long time. And most scientists, they believe that the climate changed and it killed off the dinosaurs. But that many birds are ancestors of dinosaurs. So we might still have some type of dinosaurs flying around, but they don't look like the prehistoric ones that we think of. The big T-Rex, the meat eaters, and the herbivores that ate fruits and vegetables, like the brontosaurus, the big tall brontosaurus with the long neck. And so today, let's see what has happened. Just pretend that you are a scientist and you're going on a dinosaur dig. Now, a scientist who studies dinosaurs is called a paleontologist. That is a big word. Try and say it. Paleontologist. It just means you like dinosaurs and you want to study them and find out where they came from, maybe what they ate. Maybe you can find out kind of how old they are. Or if you find a lot of dinosaur bones, you can piece them together and build a big dinosaur. Well, today we're just going to pretend that we were on an excavation. We were hunting for dinosaur facts and clues about dinosaurs. And, excuse me, this time we didn't find any bones. We found whole dinosaurs and they were frozen in ice. Do you see that dinosaur? He is frozen in ice. There's one. There's another one. Ooh, it's cold. That's why I have on my warm clothes. Oh, look at this one. He's poking out a little bit there. Here, let's see. There was one that was really trying to get out, but the ice got him frozen right on in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to melt this ice right off of these poor dinosaurs. You see it? So this is what my experiment is with you. I want to know. Oh, wait, one more. Look. Oh, there's a long neck. See his tail poking out? Long neck poking out. Ooh, they must have been freezing to be in this. So I have 2 containers. This one has 3. Kind of hard to see there. Sorry, let me see. I'll turn it like this. Whoops, slide them around. That ice is slippery. There's 3 dinosaurs frozen in ice. And this one just happens to have, 1, 2, 3, 4 frozen in ice. We're going to try to melt them with water. So, on this one, I'm going to pour some warm water in. Oh, you know what I think we need to do? We need to do this at the exact same time. It wouldn't be fair if one got a head start. So, I'm going to pour warm water on the side with 3 dinosaurs. Cold water on the side of 4. And then I'll hold them up so we can see which one melts fastest. Okay, so I'm pouring that on there. Hold on, let me show you. All right. So we've got the hot water, the one with hot water, warm water, and then we have the one with the cold water. Do you see it melting at all? This is the cold water. What do you think? Do you see any melting? They're still pretty much the same size. Let's take a look at the hot water ones. The warm water ones. They're kind of hard to see because they really are melting. They really are melting. Do you see that? They're getting smaller and smaller. Oh, let's just watch this green one because he's really about to melt away. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to turn them over just a little bit just out of curiosity. Just to see if we might see something a little different. Now I know he's already melting, but ooh, that water's warm too. But if you watch that one, he is really coming out of there. Let me put my camera down, and we're gonna add one more hot and one more cold and see if we can get a dinosaur to come out of this ice water. Here's the hot. And this water's just coming right out of my sink. So, very, very easy. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Gonna pour the cold water on there. I mean, and I think they might be melting a little bit. I'm starting to see a little better shape of the dinosaurs. Now let's try the hot water over here. Oh, wow. What are you seeing there? Those frozen dinosaurs are thawing out. They're definitely... Alright, so knowing that, that makes me want to put a little more hot water on top of these dinosaurs because they are definitely melting. Do you think we should put hot water on the cold water side? I mean, they're melting, but look, it's taking them quite a long time. Here's one, or we could transfer them over. Here, you know, at home, you can do it however you want. I want you to be able to play with things and think and decide, what if I did this? What if I did that? I'm going to put him over here in the hot water side because you saw how big his ice still was. But look at these guys. Oh, we almost have some dinosaurs over here that are thawed out for sure. So boys and girls, I think a good conclusion is that ice, which is a solid, thaws out faster when it's warmer or colder. What did you just see? Did warm water thaw out the dinosaur faster and melt the ice? Or was it the hot water? You're right, it was the hot water. You're exactly right. Boys and girls, we have one dinosaur free. Can you see him? Now, of course, these aren't real dinosaurs. I wish they were. These are just ones I bought from the Dollar Tree for $1. There's another dinosaur. We have some still melting here. We're going to let them keep melting. I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to put all of them on the warm side. And then I'm going to talk to you about how you can make this for yourself at home and have some fun. So, all you do is you take a balloon like this, blow it up. Woo! And you let it stay on there for a few seconds. 10 is fine. Help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how it's stretched out a little bit? So then you want to stretch it just a little bit more, not too much. And then you'll need some dinosaurs. Now, if you don't have any dinosaurs at home, but you have a small toy that you could stick in here, I say go for it. And see if Mom and Dad will let you. Open it up as big as you can, stuff him in there, and close it. Now listen, don't let him poke, he'll break it. And you might need a little help from your family to get this in there. Add a little water. Have someone help you tie the balloon, and it does not have to be a water balloon. As a matter of fact, the water balloons are not that great. They don't stretch as good for some reason. Now, oh, see him poking out? Gotta be super careful. You don't want him to poke all the way out because he'll poke a real hole in it. Ask your mom or dad or some grown-up to help you put this in the freezer And the next morning, you'll get them out and they'll be frozen, just like the ones you saw in the beginning with me. Now, you do need to ask your parents to help you. Mom and Dads will have to get this open, cut that open, and this peels right off and has perfect dinosaur frozen in ice, like this Tyrannosaurus Rex. See, he's not thawed out all the way. Oh, here's another one. Oh, goodness. He's got a big chunk of ice. Can you see him? See how much fun you can have with just a little bit of water? Parents, and it doesn't have to be a water balloon. It can be anything you can freeze water in, but you have to be able to break it out of there. So it needs to be something that's okay to not be able to return back to its normal shape, if you know what I'm trying to say. No, you don't want to break all of your good dishes. Anyway, I hope you had fun. Go outside if you can. Dig a little bit for some dinosaurs. Get those scoops, dig your shovels. If you find something really cool, you want to brush it off and get it real clean, wash it. Don't do it too hard. You don't want to break it. It might be a really cool fossil. All right, well, thanks for joining in and have a great day. See you next time.